On the 31st of October, 1959, Gordon the Blue Engine passed. That is to say, he was scrapped. He just didn't go past with his coaches or something. The details of his scrapping are a bit murky, but I'm told that there was some sort of canine accident and that there was nothing his engineer could do. Ever since that fateful day, there have been rumours of Gordon's ghost appearing on Halloween night at the site of the accident. This year I, the Fat Controller, have decided to hide some cameras on the trackside to try and capture this event. Okay, Thomas, I'm leaving this camera here for the day. Don't tell the other engines why, though. I don't want them to be frightened.
I hate the Fat Controller. Who the hell does he think he is?
This is the worst run railway I think I've ever seen.
When are we gonna kill him?
Next week, in the furnaces.
Oh, goodness gracious me. Back again. Same time, same place. Oh, I'd kill for some real coal again. Ghost coal just tastes like cold ash. It's sickening. Oh well, I'd better get started with the obligatory monologue. Train heaven is full of terrible things, friends. Did you ever see a train angel? Well, it certainly sounds splendid and everything, but actually it's incredibly disturbing. They just stare at you and try to steal your whistle. They say there's no need for whistles up in train heaven, but then again, I'm the greatest engine ever scrapped, and I'll always need a whistle. There's also a message for Emily from a locomotive up here called Macmillan. He's been watching you, Emily. Macmillan, he's been watching you closely from train heaven. And he likes what he sees, Emily. He said he's keeping a siding warm for you, so if you ever do feel like, well, biting the ash, don't think twice. Just drive straight off Sodor Cliffs, and he'll keep you company for train eternity. Oh yes, and I need to tell you how I really died. Some people have been blaming Voldemort for some reason, but it was Oliver. He was jealous of my large dome and my grand demeanor, and so he and Toad ambushed me. They plunged an iron bar between my spokes, causing me to grind to a halt. They then tore off my finer parts, and they sold me as a slave to a Japanese railway. On the boat to Japan, we were attacked by pirates who fired their cannons into our hull, causing our ship to sink. As we sank, I saw Arian Burt on the pirate deck, and so I know this was no accident. I was crushed into literally 2 dimensions by the boat on the ship floor, and so I really am stone cold dead now. They told the Fat Controller, or Big Daddy as I like to call him, that I'd been killed by wolves, and they even showed him my whistle, which was covered in tooth marks. Of course he believed them. He's got fat on the brain or something. Anyway, I'm a ghost now, and it was all Oliver's fault. Curse you, Oliver, and curse the Great Western Railway. You're all a load of stuck-up, snobbish, selfish, inefficient, lazy, green coal brains, and you'll never see any train angels, that's for damn sure. Well, that's all for this year. I don't suppose anyone will ever hear these speeches. I mean, they're always at midnight, so understandable. But still, it would be nice to spend some time with a member of the non-transparent steam race. But never mind, I don't get dirty now, so it's not all bad. Well, goodbye. Daddy, Daddy. The sun shines east, the sun shines west. I know where the sun shines best. It's my big fat daddy I'm thinking of, nobody else's. Oh, Daddy! Oh, I hope I'm not late. There's also a message here for an... There's also... I'm not happy with this, no. Oh, my! Oh! Oh my goodness me.